Great block! Nice one!
Not today! No.
Got it! You'll get another chance! Keep believing!
Again.
Wow. That boy has real talent.
I won't give up. Oh no. Please, not today.
Those shoes have seen a lot of dreams.
I'll find a way. Shoes don't make champions.
Hard work does. Incredible.
I'll never stop.
The championship is close!
Yes, coach!
Give me everything!
We won't stop!
Alex, come inside!
Just 5 more minutes!
That's determination.
Rain can't stop my dream. He's not academy material. Street soccer is different.
Enough. Show respect.
Whoa!
You okay? Get up.
One more time. Again.
That's the champion's attitude. Faster!
Yes, coach!
Again!
I can go faster!
Excellent! Keep moving!
I won't stop! Stay with me!
Champions never quit!
I'll make my mom proud.
I know you will.
This is only the beginning.
Your biggest match is still ahead.
He's fast! I'll catch him!
Stay calm! Try and stop me!
I'm right behind you!
Alex! Oh! Get up!
I'm okay! I didn't come this far to give up now. Keep believing.
Never quit.
That's the Alex we know.
Champions always get back up.
Let's finish this! Together! You won't get past me. We'll see. This move came from the streets.
What? Wow! Your champions, Alex! You earned every moment.
Alex, wake up, sweetheart.
Good morning, Mom.
You'll be late for work.
I'll get ready.
Don't forget your breakfast.
Thank you, Alex. You're welcome. I wish I could play.
Alex, another table!
Coming! One day, how was work? It was okay,
You're tired.
but I still want to practice. Just one more shot. I'll never stop.
I'm proud of you.
I'll become a champion. Again.
Wow. That boy has real talent.
I won't give up.
He's been practicing for hours.
Again.
This isn't luck, this is dedication.
One more time. Oh no. Please, not today.
Those shoes have seen a lot of dreams.
I'll find a way. Shoes don't make champions.
Hard work does. Incredible.
I'll never stop.
You've worked hard tonight.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name?
Alex.
I'm Daniel. Would you like to train with my team?
Me?
Talent like yours deserves a chance.
Yes, absolutely!
Alex, who is this?
Good morning. My name is Daniel.
Mom, he's a soccer coach.
A soccer coach?
Your son has an incredible gift.
We don't have much.
You have something more valuable.
What's that?
A son who never quits.
Mom always believes in me.
I'd like Alex to train at my academy.
We can't afford it.
He won't pay anything.
Really?
Talent should never be limited by money.
It's so big.
This is where champions are made.
I've never seen a place like this.
Today, your new life begins. Every champion needs a strong first step.
These are for me?
You've earned them.
I'll never let you down.
Just keep working hard. Welcome to your first training session.
I'm nervous.
That's normal.
I'll do my best.
That's all I ask. Again,
I'm sorry.
don't apologize. Learn.
I'll keep trying. He's not academy material. Street soccer is different.
Enough. Show respect.
Whoa!
You okay? Get up.
One more time. Again.
That's the champion's attitude.
I won't quit.
Excellent.
I finally did it! He's getting better!
Hard work always shows.
I'm just getting started. Today's going to be better.
He's always the first one here. He's changing. No, he's growing. Faster!
Yes, coach!
Again!
I can go faster!
Excellent! You're improving fast.
Thank you.
Want to practice together?
Really? Of course. Nice pass. Thanks. You're fun to play with. I've never had a teammate like you. Now you do.
Regional team selection is next week.
Wow. Regional team?
Only the hardest workers will be chosen. Keep moving!
I won't stop! Stay with me!
Champions never quit! Alex, come inside!
Just 5 more minutes!
That's determination.
Rain can't stop my dream. The list is up! Come on, Alex. I'm scared.
Believe in yourself. Congratulations.
Thank you, Coach. I'll make my mom proud.
I know you will.
This is only the beginning.
Your biggest match is still ahead. Congratulations, Alex.
Is this really mine?
You've earned it.
Welcome to the team. I'll wear it with pride. Alex, Mom, I made the regional team. I'm so proud of you. This is for us.
Your father would be proud too.
First tournament? Yes. Just enjoy it.
Remember, play together.
We will.
I've never seen anything this big. Every champion starts somewhere.
Let's make today unforgettable. I'm ready.
Take a deep breath.
I'm nervous. We're all nervous.
Now go enjoy the game.
Okay, let's do this.
Players ready?
Ready.
Tweet!
I've got it! On your left! Pass it back! No,
Shake it off! Keep playing!
I won't give up. Great tackle!
That's the spirit!
I'm not done yet. Woo! Ryan, got
Beautiful pass! Full time!
We won!
Excellent work.
We're one step closer.
The hardest match is still ahead.
Welcome home, champion. You did all this for me? We're proud of you.
Alex!
Thank you, everyone. Your father always believed in you.
I wish he could see this. He does, in his own way.
I'll win the championship for him. I know you will.
That's Ethan.
He's really good.
Respect every opponent. Fear no one. The championship is close!
Yes, coach!
Give me everything!
We won't stop! One more shot. Again!
He hasn't forgotten where he came from. Today's lineup. Alex,
Yes, coach?
you're starting.
Wear this today.
You made it?
For good luck.
I'll treasure it.
Come home smiling.
Today's the day. I'm ready.
Trust yourselves.
Let's do it! This is unbelievable.
Every dream leads here.
Let's make history together.
Remember where you started.
We fight together. We never give up.
Now, let's become champions!
Yeah!
This is your moment. Let's make history together.
One team, one dream. Mom, this is for you. Stay focused.
Believe in yourselves. Play! Let's go! Come on!
He's fast. I'll catch him.
Stay calm! Try and stop me!
I'm right behind you. Oh!
Great block! Nice one!
Not today. Alex, I'm coming.
Go!
Run. I'm with you. Let's go. No.
Got it! You'll get another chance! Keep believing! The score is still level. We can win this.
We're getting closer.
One smart play changes everything.
For Mom. For my dream. For everyone who believed in me.
Play with your heart.
Let's finish this. We never give up. Together.
That's it! Go get 'em! Let's go! "10 minutes left!
One chance. That's all we need. We'll fight until the end. Let's go. Alex!
Oh! Get up!
I'm okay. I didn't come this far to give up now. Keep believing.
Never quit.
That's the Alex we know.
Champions always get back up.
Let's finish this together. Alex, I've got it.
Go! Let's go!
Keep going. Go, Lions. won't get past me. We'll see. This move came from the streets.
What? Wow!
For Mom. For my dream. For everyone who believed in me.
Come on, you can do it!
Here we go! What a save!
Got it! Woo!
You never stop believing.
This is for you, Mom.
I'm so proud of you.
Today, you inspired everyone.
For Mom, for my dream, for everyone who believed in me.
And your champions, Alex! You earned every moment.
Thank you for believing in me. Your father would be so proud. I started with nothing, but you never lost hope.
Talent opens the door.
Hard work changes your life.
Every champion was once a beginner who refused to quit.